Naalala ko nung dati, yung bata pa kami, si Bujik yung tipong kahit bad mood ka, mawawala talaga kasi napapatawa ka niya. Si Bujik ano yun eh, masayahing tao, mapagmahal, concern, tsaka mapagbigay. Jik, congrats! Ngayon kasal ka na, alam ko na magtatagal pa kayo ni Marie at alam ko na magkakaroon kayo ng masayang pamilya. Yun lang. Congrats. At ingat kayong dalawa dyan. Wish you all the best. Sana magkita tayo soon. Yun lang. Congrats. Ingat.
Hi! Congratulations, JR and Marie! Best wishes to both of you. Be a good husband and wife. And be a responsible parents kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng baby.
This is a new chapter of your lives. Make the best out of it. Syempre, pag-isipan nyo muna lahat ng gagawin nyo and work things out. Hindi agad susuko. Ayun nga. Good luck sa future nyo. Ayun, be responsible for all the actions na gagawin nyo. Ayun. We wish you all the best. Kahit wala kami dyan, syempre, proud na proud kami para sa inyo. Lalo na sa'yo, Kuya JR. We miss you and we love you.
We miss you. Love you.
God bless always.
God bless. Congratulations again.
Congrats.
Congratulations, Kajana Tamari! I love you. I love you.
Kuya, bago ko bumate, pagod kasi ako, sorry. Prelims namin ngayon, July 18, 2015. Napuyat ako kahapon, tsaka nung ilang araw, this past few days. Ang hirap mag-review. Sobra ang haba, yung theology, ang haba. Sige na. Kuya, congratulations sa inyo ni Ate Marie.
Congratulations.
So, syempre bilang lalaki, sinasabi ko sa inyo na huwag mong pababayaan si Ate Marie. Ikaw kasi nagturo sa akin kung paano mag-handle ng relationship. Thank you sa lahat. Hindi ko rin sasabihin ko eh. I'm so speechless right now. I don't really know what to say. Basta congrats. So, good luck sa inyo. God bless. And then, enjoy. Wala kasi ako sa right. Wala ako sa tama na mag-speak ng kung ano-ano. So, binabati lang kita. And then, kung kailangan ng comfort, support, nandito ako bilang kapatid mo. Okay? Love you, Kuya. So proud. I'm so proud to be your brother. And I know that you're so proud to be my brother because I'm so pogi and you know that.
Congratulations po was po wedding ka na. God bless always. Always have faith with God.
Joke lang. Sige na.
Just stay strong po. If you have doubts about your problems, diyan mo palagi yung family nyo, tsaka po si God. Yun lang po. Congratulations po ulit.
Ate Marie, ang message ko lang is sana alagaan mo yung kuya ko. Na para ba kahit end of the world, andyan ka pa rin para sa kuya ko. So, thank you kasi isa ka sa naging happiness na kuya ko. So, basta ang hinihiling ko lang is good luck. Stay happy. Live a happy life. Tapos, be healthy. Yun na. God bless sa inyo kay God bless sa inyo dalawa. Congratulations. PS yung iPhone ko ha, kuya.
Hi, JR and Marie. To JR, I never thought that you'd get married this early. There's a lot of things na I never thought you'd do, like you were protecting me For example, if I have things na gagawin ko pa lang or or ginawa ko na sa tingin mo nakakasama para sa akin, you're always there to make sure na I'm okay. Like the times na you're covering up for me, kapag may gagawin ako na something stupid, you make sure na hindi ako mahuhuli nila mama. And like the times na you were listening to my never-ending problems to make sure na you will be able to give me na walang kwentang advices mo. And sa times na nandyan ka to support me, ang masasabi ko lang is, we don't have a perfect relationship. I'm not gonna pretend na everything is okay. There are times na we fight, na we argue, na we hurt each other emotionally and physically. Pero all I can say is, by the end of the day, we make sure na nandyan tayo for each other. And of course, after the fight, pag nagkakatinginan na tayo, natatawa na tayo sa mga ginawa natin. Lalo na yung mga maliliit na bagay na walang kwentang pinagawayan natin. What I'm trying to say is, sa lahat ng sinabi ko, na you will always be my protector. You will always be my secret keeper. You will always be my friend. And most importantly, you will always be my little brother. To Marie, I would like you to know na I'm very thankful na nandyan ka. Alright? So every time na naiisip ko, nalulungkot ako na mag-isa lang si JR dyan. Napaka-thankful ko kasi nandyan ka to support him, to inspire him, to make sure na okay siya, and you're making him happy. So, kahit nasa malayo siya, wala siya sa tabi namin, I'm sure na he's okay kasi nandyan ka for him. So, thank you. And also, I always wanted to have a sister. So, I'm happy that I have two na. It's you and Madeline. So, welcome to the family. Alright? And thank you for your family na sa pagtanggap sa kapatid ko, kay JR. And, ang masasabi ko lang, marriage is unimaginable. There's times na it's hard and it's confusing. And minsan, it's easy and simple. Pero if you do have God in the relationship, everything will work out. Just remember to love each other, to have trust, to always appreciate each other, and to respect each other. Of course, everything will work. Alright? How I wish na nandyan kami sa one of the most memorable event ng buhay niyong dalawa. Pero of course, because of things, hindi kami pwedeng pumunta sa mahal ng ticket, and it's not that easy. Pero if we could, of course, we will be there. Pero yun nga, and you know, how I wish na I can see JR wearing the coat and pants, and you know, I'm sure he will be bragging how good looking he is sa tingin niya. So, yun, mamimiss man namin. I'm sure magkakaroon naman ng chance na dito naman. And also, I just wanna congratulate the both of you for finding each other. Alright? So, I wish you all the happiness. Because if you're happy, of course, everything will follow. So, I love you both. And I wish that everything will go accordingly to plan. Enjoy the day, and I love you. I miss you, JR. And take care. Thank you.
To Marie and JR, best wishes, congratulations. Magmahalan kayong dalawa ng tunay kasi walang forever. Hindi, joke lang. Sana magsama kayo ng matagal. Makabait ka, JR, kay Marie. Siguro, yun lang.
JR, Marie, congratulations. Sana maging masaya kayong dalawa. At habang buhay kayong magsama. Good luck. One.
Oops! Gulat kayo, no? Kala nyo si JR to. Lamang lang na isang paligo sa akin yan. Actually, we all wish that we're there para naman masaksihan namin yung special day ninyong dalawa. Unfortunately, busy papa mo eh. So, daming mga appointment. ABS-CBN, PB5, GMA7, dami. Ang daming gustong kunin ako para maging extra. Anyway, malay niyo naman, nasa likod lang ako ng... Sabi ko sa inyo, nasa likod lang ako ng pintuan eh. Di ba? Galing ng pasok, no? Okay. Kidding aside, mag-message na ako para sa inyong dalawa. Siyempre, gulat ako. Nagulat din naman kami lahat, pero we're expecting this naman na darating. Siguro, too early lang. But still, sabi mo nga, JR, tiwala lang. So, as parents naman, ang role namin palagi is to support you. Lahat ng gusto nyo. Hindi lang naman ikaw, lahat naman kayo. Kung saan kayo masaya, dun kami. Minsan, kailangan naming mag-guide, pero sometimes, iba na talaga ang kabataan yan. So, andyan na yan, lahat kami masaya naman dito kasi doon din man talaga pupunta yan. Now, alam kong may mga plano kayo, isa lang naman ang wish ko. Sana maging successful ang marriage life nyo kasi masyadong competitive ang panahon ngayon. Ang daming nagiging nag-aasawa ng maaga, but later on, kasi they were not expecting some trials kasi for them, too young. Then, naghihiwalay din ng maaga. But, marami din naman ako mga narinig na matagal naman nagsama and then naging successful yung pagsasama. Siguro, ako as parents, at syempre, kumbaga dumaan na sa mga bagay na yan, ang may papayo ko lang sa inyo, kailangan maging maunawain kayo sa bawat isa. Kasi, sa edad nyo yan, marami kayong mga trials na abutin and kailangan matibay kayo dyan kung talagang gusto nyo maging tight yung pagsasama nyo. Madalas kong sabihin, request ko lang naman makatapos kayo mag-aral. So, for me, yung marriage life, kung may determination ka, hindi naman yan hadlang eh. No? Ako, sa akin, hanggat bata kumikita, yes. Pero importante pa rin yung pag-aaral. Sana kahit lumagay kayo sa tahimik, i-priority nyo pa rin yung pag-aaral. Tumapos kayo kasi, okay, makakaipon kayo, why not? Masipag naman kayong pareho. Pero minsan hindi lang puro sipag yan eh. Kailangan plano. So, kung makakaipon kayo, gawa ng sipag yon. Pero minsan, kung makaipon ka nga, hindi ka naman prepared doon sa sitwasyon na kailangan mong sumabay sa agos ng panahon at sa gaano kakompetensya ng mundo ngayon. So, dapat ready kayo dyan para at least hindi rin kayo maiisahan, no? So, I believe masayang masaya kayo. Kami rin, again, masaya kami sa inyo kasi pangarap niyo yan eh. We just wish palagi na dapat maging masaya yung pagsasama nyo. Ang daming trials. You need to stay for 3 more years. Then, before kailangan nyo mag-settle dalawa in one group. Hindi ko alam kung anong plano nyo, but hopefully, lahat na maging plano nyo with God's guidance, eh sana maging maayos. So, request ko lang, mahalin nyo isa't isa, pag-aralan nyo maging mabuting magkaibigan. Kasi at the end of the day, after ng romance, after ng lahat, ang pinakamatibay na magiging sandalan ninyo is yung pagiging magkaibigan. Congratulations, Marie and JR. Sayang wala ako dyan. Kung nandyan ako, tatumbling ako. Bye-bye!